Alright guys, so we're back at the water. I forgot to turn my camera on before I started throwing. As you can see, throughout steelhead pool. It's got 2 split shots, small hook, and some power bait on it. We're just trying to catch some trout on that. And we got this set up with Cinco for bass. I don't really bass fish this, so we're just kind of trying to catch some trout right now on that pool. Kind of messing around, waiting for that to go off. So yeah, I guess I'll see you when I hook into something or when I change spots, because I'm so bored of not catching fish. Alright, last spot wasn't doing it. I had a new one, walking down to it. Hopefully this is a little bit better. Nice little bass. A little guy. He choked that worm as soon as it hit the water. Only got a little bit of worm left on here, but let's see if we can't trick another one into the old live worm. So I see our trout pool going off again. This time I'm going to let it run. There it goes. It was there. There we go. I'm just going to let it run. There we go. It feels a lot smaller now that I don't run into the trees. There we go, boys. Whoa, I just slipped. And that's how it would do it. Nice little chrome, or nice little rainbow trout. Nice little guy. Dang, guys. I had to go back. I got a trout in the water I forgot about. We're going to try to hook into some trout here. Jeez, boys. Stay away from under that dock. flipping docks. Alright, let's see if we can't get a good release on this little guy. This is my PB from this dock, or this side area over here. I didn't even feel this fish bite. Whoa, he was ready. He is not playing no games. Alright, so we pulled another decent sized one out. We're rocking with the Strike King Cinco. I was not expecting to dock flip something like that, but we did. Trout rods out there still, nothing yet. Alright, now we're going to target it. So I flipped one off. Oh, I don't want to leave my phone just sitting there like that. Let's have some fun with these worms right now. Pull out a big old hog daddy worm. Put it on the hook. Another little bass. Oh. Sorry, little guy.